Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, August 29th, 2024. Let's find out what is going on the Bitcoin, and this time we are looking at the Bitcoin quarter to tether at Zondacrypto daily time frame chart and 100 and 200 periods moving average on a daily time frame chart. As you can see, very interesting cross we have. What it is, it's a cross showing us the breakout of a 100 periods moving average below 200 periods moving average from above, which means that this is a death cross. Death cross usually means that the asset is basically going lower, or it's trending lower, and this is a very late confirmation of this situation. Purely technical indicator. You can see the opposite of the death cross. You can see the golden cross. The golden cross on the Bitcoin appeared on the this is the November 5th 2023, and since then, as you can see, the price went way higher. So it was, of course, kind of a late indication, kind of a late situation. However, it still was deadly accurate. Now what do we have is a death cross, and it looks like the market is giving us a signal that, listen everyone, it looks like we are going lower. And the situation here is quite interesting, because if we apply, for example, the trend line, if we apply the trend line from the top of the chart, right? So from the top of the price, basically here, and we can do, for example, something like this. We can easily see that there is some sort of the trend line here on the top, and if we double this line, of course, parallel doesn't actually work. Even if we do it like this, even if we do it like this. However, if we extend this line like that, we can have a very interesting situation, because it looks like a, let me just zoom out a little bit. It looks like some sort of the flag pattern, or maybe some sort of the triangle pattern from the other perspective, and it is a bullish indication, bullish signal, bullish pattern, basically. Maybe not signal, but the pattern. And it's very interesting, because the reason is that we got two conflicting views right now. Death cross, which is telling us, hey, listen up everyone, we are going lower, and the bullish pattern, the F pattern, how do you want to call it, is telling us, listen up, we are going higher after we're done with the correction. So where should our attention focus right now? The first thing is, if we know the pattern now, maybe one more thing, because some of you might be not familiar with this pattern. So this is like this flagpole, yeah. So if we basically do this, yeah, now it looks more like a flag. I've been trying to do it in the technical way, so we can see the situation here. Nevertheless, we got the flagpole, yeah. It's coming from the low somewhere here, so you can, technically you should do it like this or something like that, and then you got this pattern. What I wanted to show you more is the levels, because we should pay attention on the levels right now. Neither bulls nor bears are in charge of this market. The market is going like from the top to the bottom, from the bottom to the top, and like no one cares, basically, right now. But I bet that the market participants, like for example, the bulls and the bears, are watching this market very closely. This is our range. This is our primary range between the waterfall formation high, waterfall formation low. They both will work as the technical resistance, right, and the technical support. Let me just, there you go. This is what I wanted to show you. 49,501 is the technical support. 69,812 is the technical resistance. Then the other levels are the recent swing high and the swing low. So we got these levels here, and we got, of course, this level here. So this is the medium range, the support and resistance, right? And everything what is inside is a different story. Everything what is here looks like another inside range with the death cross inside. So we need a breakout. If we start to break out to the upside, the next target is the blue line, and then the major range technical resistance. If we try to break the lower level 56,788, the technical support, if there is a breakout, the next target is unfortunately 49,501, the low from the August 5th. However, we need to take into the account the situation when the movement to the upside or to the downside will be quite limited because of the low volatility conditions. So this pattern here that you see might extend even longer, for even longer in time. I don't know exactly for how long. Nevertheless, we can see straight on that when we take this very nice tool, I think it should be this one. There you go. We got the price and the time tool. We can say that this is 169 days, right? And the correction is already minus almost 33%, 32 and something. So it's a quite substantial correction, both in terms of the price and time, and it needs to be resolved, especially after the bearish after the death cross has occurred on a daily time frame chart. So please stay focused, stay vigilant. We are still waiting for the resumption and of the uptrend, or for the breakout to the downside and deeper, more complex, more time-consuming correction to be unfold soon. Only two options here. When we take a look at the greater from the macro view, there you go. If we zoom out, we can see straight on. This is the uptrend to the upside. However, that's the biggest correction in time, biggest correction in price since we started this uptrend. It needs to be something. It needs to mean something. We will know when the market will tell us what is going on here exactly. For now, it's just the technical analysis, it's just the levels and watching the market, the developments, which is very susceptible for all of the news, all of the info, data coming to them, coming to the market, as the bulls and the bears, they both want to know what to do now. We are almost exactly in the middle of this range, yeah, of this technical resistance, technical support range. Not everyone is convinced that we should go up. Not everyone is convinced we should go down. We got some patterns, we got some trends, we got some other indicators like a death cross, but there is no direct movement just yet. Everyone is waiting what will happen, and something will happen soon. You will be sure of this. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.